Grandpa about to pick up some holes, bro.
Is that tissue and lotion? Okay, let's have a detailing brush for us. After we strip all the clothes off this hoe, it doesn't look too bad to work with now.
Brother, what's that, brother?
I needed it, bro. Check out like the whole cup holder and everything.
Grandpa about to pick up some holes, bro. Looks fresh as fuck, bro.
Yeah, I definitely needed it, bro. All that shit got clean.
Appreciate you, bro.
Yes, sir.
Just hit me up whenever you're done.
All right, for sure,
What's it
bro.
called? If you guys need water, bro, there's water inside.
Okay, cool. Thank you, bro.